Alright, about got this bike done. Got air filter, everything in there. New cylinder. But we're going to attempt to build a rim. This thing is pretty bad shape. I tried straightening it and then I spun it and looked how bad it was. So better just start over, maybe. I am missing one spoke here. And I noticed when you look at these, I've got one here and one here. As they come down, they skip 3, so it's every 4th one, even though it's every top one here. So a bunch of these are loose too. I ordered a pair of spokes. I didn't remember it was the bottom or the top, so I'll have an extra one anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and start tearing this down. I really think I got a spoke here that I can actually put in, but you can see a lot of these are really loose. Let's see if I can get this tire on. I have to buy a new tire too. It's too hard. Alright, after a lot of serious disciplining, I got one side off so far. Alright, this is pretty nasty. We'll have to wire wheel this. Oh yeah, we're replacing it. Don't need to wire wheel nothing. I do want to get the wheel off of here. Tube saver. Clean that up. Alright, start unlacing these. Got a bag I can keep the eyelets in. Really, I can just keep the spokes on the rim. When I get ready, I'll just flop it over. I say that, we'll see what happens. Really helping all the eyelets come out. And I got a big tip screwdriver, the one that actually fits this correctly, which will help out. Alright, so I got this rim laced up. I used some straws. Now, by no means am I good at this, but if you don't see the bike rocking, I think you won't know that it's got just this very small hair of a bend in it, but it's pretty straight, so I think we'll be okay to run it. And actually, it's got a little dip right here where it's got a manufacturer defect, and this is a DID rim, so a little disappointed in that. That was in there to begin with. You could tell where they had done a bunch of machine work, and it has a dip in that. You can see right there. And yeah, I could have took it back, but I don't think anybody will notice. Anyway, I'm gonna go get a brand new tire. I'm not gonna put that dinosaur back on. It's hard as heck. All right, well, after all said and done, petcock was clogged. I had a bad feeling I probably should have just bought one. Anyway, let's see if there's a little bit of gas in there. See if it'll start up. That might be all we get. There's still water in the gas tank dripping out. This is my CRF 100F with the Two Brothers big bore kit on it. I'm gonna have to get rid of this janky thing too. That's got to go. Either bolt it on or take it off. Really needs the big bore pipe on there. Sounds pretty good, except for that part. I'm gonna turn it off before things light on fire. That don't work. Key switch work? Key switch turns it off. Let's check the kill switch.